The following video is for a bench disassembly and repair of a Type SX rotary steam joint. Follow your company's safety procedures whenever working on Kadant Johnson products. Read all of the instructions before proceeding with the repair. Please refer to the Kadant Johnson assembly drawing for part identification. Assembly drawings are available upon request from Kadant Johnson. Lubricate all fasteners with anti-seize compound. Tighten all fasteners in a star pattern. Torque specifications are listed on the product assembly drawing and are available from Kadant Johnson. Note: do not use anti-seize or petroleum-based products on O-rings. Only lubricate the O-rings with the silicone lubricant supplied with the Kadant Johnson repair kit. Prior to handling lubricants, consult MSDS or SDS information. Repair kits are available for the various sizes of SX rotary joints you have. Step 1. Place the rotary joint through a hole in a workbench. Step 2. Remove the head by loosening and removing the bolts securing it to the body. Separate the head from the body. Use caution while removing the head. Some models may contain spring force from the spring inside the rotary joint. Step 3. Loosen and remove the cap screws and lock washers securing the assembly plate. Use caution while removing the assembly plate. It contains spring force from the spring inside the rotary joint. Step 4. Remove the following parts from the body: assembly plate, spring, gasket, inboard guide, nipple, and seal ring. Turn the body over and remove the retaining ring securing the outboard guide. Remove the guide. Discard the guides, seal ring, and spring. This completes the disassembly. Inspection. Body. Inspect the following areas for wear and scoring: the seal ring contact area, the inboard guide area, and the outboard guide area. Clean and inspect the gasket surfaces. Replace the body if any of these areas are damaged. Nipple. Inspect the following areas for wear and scoring: the seal ring contact area, the inboard guide area, and the outboard guide area. The end of the nipple that seats the copper gasket. Replace the nipple if any of these areas are damaged. Assembly plate. Clean and inspect the assembly plate gasket surfaces. If the gasket surfaces are steam cut or damaged, replace the assembly plate. Head. Clean and inspect the head's gasket surfaces. If the gasket surfaces are steam cut or damaged, replace the head. Reassembly. Step 1. Place the body facing up on the workbench. Install a new outboard guide and secure it into position with the retaining ring. Step 2. Turn the body over and place it over the hole in the workbench. Place the seal ring with the spherical surface facing into the body. Pass the nipple into the body, through the seal ring and through the outboard guide, resting it against the seal ring. Place the inboard guide with the spring groove facing up, around the nipple and into the body. Position the spring into the spring groove in the inboard guide. Step 3. Place a new gasket onto the body. Position the assembly plate over the spring and push into position, compressing the spring. Align the holes in the assembly plate with the threaded holes in the body. Secure the assembly plate using cap screws and lock washers. Step 4. Place a new gasket onto the assembly plate. Position the head onto the assembly plate and secure into position using the head bolts. Tighten the head bolts using the proper torque. Please tighten the bolts in graduated steps until the specified torque is achieved. Tighten the bolts using a star-patterned sequence. If the head needs to be removed during rotary joint installation, leave the head bolts loose. Tighten head bolts after the rotary joint is installed. This completes the disassembly and repair of a Type SX rotary steam joint. Please consult Kadant Johnson if you have any questions.